Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for GOG error code 401. The error reads error code 401 unauthorized. This error occurs when you try to browse GOG or view store pages after making account changes. You may be logged in successfully, but when clicking on games or store links, you're met with this error. According to our research, this error is likely caused by recent account updates, such as changing your password or renaming your account that haven't fully propagated through GOG's systems. It may also result from stale browser cache or cookies interfering with authentication, DNS cache issues, or even interference from ad blockers. If you recently made any changes to your account, such as username or password changes, then you should wait for your account changes to take effect. Allow 12 to 24 hours for GOG to synchronize your new credentials. Once this period passes, revisit GOG and see if you can access the pages again. If waiting doesn't help, then clear your browser's cache and cookies. Also, make sure your computer's date and time are set correctly. Once done, restart your browser and check for the error. If that still doesn't resolve the issue, clear cookies for GOG.com only and flush your DNS cache. To do this, in your browser's cookie settings, delete cookies for GOG.com, then close the browser. Next, flush your DNS cache using Run Dialog or Command Prompt. Then reopen your browser and try loading GOG again. If you continue to see the error, disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions. Then restart your browser and check for the error again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.